What is going on, YouTube? Jay here from H3D Prints, hanging out with Roof tonight.
Hi.
We're getting ready to start making some molds. We got, see if we can get this in the light here a little bit better so you guys can see. We got ring tree. Ring tree.
And ooh.
Do I really want to show this?
Yeah, fuck it.
You sure?
Yeah, shiny.
You sure?
There you go.
I
Take the little mold right there. There we go.
sure I can show this?
Yeah.
Okay. So we put how many cubic zirconians?
96.
96 cubic zirconians are going in this mold. We're going to see if it works. We don't know. Canon, all reprinted, modified down here at the bottom. It's going to go into that flask right there. So we're going to get these in the flasks. We're going to start mixing some plaster up.
Yeah.
And then we're going to get them filled. We're going to vacuum them. And we're going to get it done. So we'll be right back with you. And we'll get this plaster and everything set up. Let's go. Epic fail. Just turn it off.
Right.
All the way down.
Oh.
There you go.
That's
and that
true.
plugs in.
Yeah.
Or we just on a hand beater mixer here thing. Come on, dude. We got this, right? We're capable of intelligent thought.
I'm my eyeball.
Don't touch anything. Just push that thing in. Push it in. It's gonna fall back out. I can already tell you that right now. Stop.
I told you my eyeballs
Shut it
don't
off,
work.
shut off, shut off.
I told you my eyeballs don't work.
Look. This.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, it goes in. That.
Yeah.
You gotta push.
Oh.
This. Flask A. A little bit more. Dump it all. Yep, there you go. Stop. We're going into here. We're gonna shove this on. We're gonna turn this on. Yeah, the mixer plugged in. Dun dun dun. Turn that back off. Set that on down. Vacuum on the plaster. Try to get the air out to get it as quick as you can. This is the first one that we're ready to actually pull the bottom of the flask off. So we'll be able to see. Oh, now you can see that all that will melt away. And we're 9920. Or I guess it's backwards, 3.5 inch. Ready to rock. We're gonna get it burned out, and then we'll fill it with metal, and we'll get whatever we got.
Rock and roll.
Sweet!
Yeah.
We go.
Alright.
Ready to go back to the fire. Okay, we had one mold fail. We got 3 that are still going. So we up to 85C. I don't know if we'll do the seat on the side, but definitely got some heat coming out of the hole. Nice warm toasty in there. We got them going. So we're getting them done, and we'll get back with you here in a few. What's going on? The burnout's done. So we're holding at 530C.
Garbage.
Jimmy's over here adding some silver scrap.
Yep, garbage.
From our last goof ups. And we're gonna fire up the furnace. So, let me see if I can get this for you guys. Fire.
Fire in the hole.
Fire in the hole.
Papa Booey.
Papa Booey. Watch out, Shelly Belly. Back up. And we are lit. Up, little dude.
Even with the
You ready to cast stuff? Huh?
scrap metal, always add a good little bit of fresh silver to it. Just a little bit. Just to help.
You gonna add some mass casting flux?
Yeah, might as well.
I'll go find that bar in the garage so we can get the dross off the top, if there is any.
Should be alright. I cleaned most of it up, but still.
Yeah. Yeah, we're getting everything set up. We're gonna have some metal melted, and then we'll get it stuck in the centrifugal, and we're gonna get after it. We'll bring it back then. Okay, the first one we're gonna cast is the... Which one is it, Jimmy?
Sprue A rings G through those other letters.
Wow.
Yeah, I can't remember.
Gotta get past it. Other side of it. Now pull it up. Now let it come back to touch it. There you go. And then we can have trunk.
Alright.
Yeah, it's probably a little bit warmer, but
There's 6 rings in that tree though, so we'll see. That's it.
you need to pull it back. I can't touch it anymore now. Okay. Yeah, you're good now.
It's the same, but no. Shit, you need to change that out real quick.
Switch. Done. Okay, we're gonna go bail the other side.
Yeah, because that's too much silver melted in there.
Just don't pour it all in. Use the rest in the crucible thing.
10-4.
Shove that up. This here, toss on top. No, toss it on top of the oven. And you just have to grab that by hand. Shut the other one off. Yeah, it's backwards. And you probably want to grab the other tongs. What? Yeah, no duh.
The crucible in.
Did it go in this time?
In the hole!
I'll bring you guys back when it spins down. Okay. We got it freed from the mold. Let's see what this thing looks like.
That is horrible.
Ooh. I honestly think we can work with that. I think all 96 stones are still in there. It just flashed over the top. I think we grind it off. If you look at it.
If you look right there, they're all crooked. They caved in.
Yeah, we'll clean it up. We'll make it sparkly and see what happens. I think that's what we're going to do.
Alright, he's grabbing the cannon flask. Make sure everything's clear. Look good on the bottom there. I don't look like that one blew out at all.
Yeah, but I don't know what this out here. We'll see what happens.
If it doesn't pour in, just leave it in the thing.
Yeah, what I'm looking at inside.
Oh shit. Alright. Going for the cannon. Remember, people, when you're melting brass, just yeah, be careful. Look at that, it's hot. Don't know.
Don't know there. Oh, that's crazy.
Alright. And we're gonna let that cool down and we'll be back here in a minute.
Got it?
Alright, we let the cannon cool down. Let's see what we got. Bubble, 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 bubble.
It's hitting pretty hard. James might actually get a cannon out of this thing.
Maybe.
Okay, not what we wanted, but progress. It ended up sinking and filling the barrel. So, progress. We'll melt it down again. We'll try again. We'll get there. Trial and error. Let's go. You watched that travesty. Had issues again. Well, hang on. Let's start on a high note. I polished the Vinci this week. Just got to work on it a little bit. So, that's a positive. This though, for the life of me, I couldn't figure out what happened until I started thinking about it at work. One thing that's changed from when we were casting last, I guess it was late spring, early summer, the temperature at night. It's like in the mid 40s now. I think what happened is the plaster on the outside hardened, because this would have been sitting in the oven this way. The plaster around the outside and under here had hardened, leaving some that was still liquid in the barrel. So then when we started raising temperature, it turns to steam. And then the shell of the mold had a way out, so I think it started escaping here with pressure, and the barrel ended up folding up like one of those party balloons that you make balloon animals out of, and then ended up here. And actually I think it displaced some of the body because there's some other holes around it, but I have a feeling that was just the plaster in the middle wasn't dry. So next time what we're going to do is probably put them in molds 2, 3, 4 days ahead of time and just let them sit ambiently. And it should hopefully resolve that issue, because that one should have came out. It actually, if you look down at this part of the mold, it's actually, all of this is actually really beautiful. So I take that as a positive. Just my fault. The plaster wasn't cured enough, and there's too much moisture still in it. So we'll get it fixed. We'll try it again. All a part of learning. Never give up. Just keep going. With that, we're going to end the video and just create your world. Just keep a positive thought and keep on going. Catch you on the next one.